Playing with viewers has never been easier for streamers. Are you someone who regularly plays with your audience but find managing your game queue confusing, too long, or too difficult to keep track of? Squad Stream, in a click of a few buttons, has completely streamlined this experience. Simply connect your Twitch account by logging in via Twitch, and Squad Stream will instantly set up your game queue ready to go. From your profile, you'll be able to share your link, invite your audience, drag members into your live game, and manage your existing game queue. It's as easy as that. Don't worry about resetting your game queue after your stream. Squad Stream's got you covered and will restart this automatically. Using Squad Stream's queue management system, you'll be able to easily remove or block users from your queue, along with a unique feature of being able to rate your experience playing with a specific user. Through this system, you'll also be able to bring members who are already into your live queue and also identify who's waiting. I love using this platform. It's really easy to manage and identify who's looking to play with me, especially with Fortnite. Great for Valorant. Squad Stream keeps things simple, and I just like that. Why overly complicate something when you don't need to? Be a part of a growing community that's looking to redefine viewer interaction. Join Squad Stream today and take your viewer games to the next level.